Aloha everyone, welcome to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube paracord channel. So today we're gonna make the quick deploy or fast rapid deploy paracord bracelet. Here I have the 9 feet of the paracord 550, or in a metric measurements 3 meters. Take the ends of a cord, find the center, and here it is. When you find the center, you're gonna take this shackle, insert the cord into the shackle, and simply create the cow hitch, basic cow hitch. Now when you've done that, measure the width of your wrist and the length of your bracelet. So here it is. I'm gonna leave a bit slack, and now I'm gonna double it like this. So from this point here to this point to the end here, it's the length of a bracelet or the width of your wrist. So be sure to check it and measure it twice. And now let's start. When we take these two ends, they're gonna be our working cords. So I'm gonna just zoom a bit so you can clearly see. And the basic weaves for this bracelet, you take it and you're gonna create the loop from the top side like this. So we're gonna go on top, and then with this end under the whole bracelet, or the base of the bracelet as you wish, and through this loop here. Pull it well up, tight it or cinch it, and now from the back through and to the loop here. On top, to the back, through, through the back, through the loop, if you want. Here you can pay attention to the shape of the bracelet. As you can see here, 4 strands, 2, 2, and again on top, to the back, through the loop, As you can see, it's nice design too, and a great way to store as much as paracord you need in the one bracelet. The bonus for this is that you can quickly deploy the large amount of the paracord. Now, as you can see here, I reached the end of today's tutorial. The bracelet is finished. Pay attention, as I said earlier, to the bracelet structure and where each and every one of the cords goes, so you'll have the clear structure and the nice or the great looking bracelet. Now, when we finish this, we're gonna simply take and cut off the excess of a cord, melt it down. I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm gonna show you how the bracelet fits and how you can quickly deploy it. And here it is. As you can see, it's very neat and very good looking paracord bracelet. I could make it few more loops and weaves. Now, as you can see here, we're gonna simply release the pin, pull it, reattach the pin again, and the bracelet is finished. Now I'm going to show you how you can quickly, fastly, rapidly deploy it.